you want to keep your mind busy. So in your free time, you have to do something which you like. Like I'm trying to improve my cooking. Today I'm going to cook okra curry. So I put 2 pack of okra with the onion and try to fry it for 10 minutes. Get some green chili from the backyard. It's fresh and out of chemicals. Now go back at home and try to start cooking. Get some ginger paste, put on the top, because ginger paste gives you a little bit of sour taste, so which is perfect for okra. And stir a little bit, put some salt as per required, as per your taste, and then some mixed herbs. Then I put some tomato paste, which I already prepared. So I'm putting this tomato paste. Now this keeps your mind busy, and every time when you do something, you feel sense of achievement, which is good for your health and brain. Now after 15 minutes, you see how wonderful it looks like. It's yummy and tasty.